Ka Jong kendo bagi nompersian di Jongi ba idon kam panwara ke development haga konstitusi di Jongi dia tangkani ke parti ini iba panwara ke development haga ke dalam kapan haga ke than di Jongi
Nongialam bah khmat jong Trinamool Congress na Mawsynram haka khandai trik unai lar 8,000 kila leit ban Pyniasoh no shaka BJP kabalong khandiat banai shwak election MLA kabanlong house number 1 yakite Nongialam bah khmat jong TMC hapo ka Nongialam jong Vice President uba Rudi Shangpliang lapriang buram da National Executive Member ka BJP uba AL Hek Badairu MLA ka Penthor Umkra rengkat ka Jingadon lang Vice President ka parti Udipayan Chakraborty.
They have joined the BJP. This has have strengthened the party organization in the state of Meghalaya, not only Mawsynram. You will see in the days to come, many different constituencies also they are joining the BJP. Many the sittings MLAs, even the ex-MLAs also they are joining the BJP very soon. And we are going to contest more than 40 seats in the coming up election in 2023. And BJP, we are trying our best that in the next election, in May, BJP will be the led government in the state of Meghalaya.
Today, more than 150 to 200 people from Mawsynram have come all the way to join the party. That is a big boost for the party as a whole, and we are very happy that Mawsynram is getting strengthened, BJP. And it is not only Mawsynram, many other constituencies also. People are joining now.
As we have seen today, like Mr. Dipine has said, more than 150 to 200 people have joined hands with the party. So this is a very positive, it's a very positive thing for what is happening, and we expect more in the coming days. We expect more people to join the party and support us so that we have a good victory in our state.
Kabanukong hi kaba kai wala pelong ini pangin sim yang de kasinjam Bandung kani ka parti kide jimati jiba kani ka parti nglai ha ki prasnam balayan ya ka roi ka par khamtam ha ki snu jungi hano kandong ro amar ba khamtam kinong rap mala bandong kinong rap skim kiba lai projaj ba kalano sinjang nak panta kinong rap namar kata kadau Leit Mawsynram, Leit ha kilo kisnong bukan dongro, bom donet wak ro lapan nong. Rai ya kene ka parti bat Narendra Modi kitip lo, ya ka kerteng jo. Dei namang tak tahu ba, kala pelong ini baro ba lengba ka Jong kendo bagi nompersian ki Jongi ba idon kam panwara ya ka development haga konstitusi ki Jongi. Dei tangkani ka parti ini iba panwara ya ka development haga ya ka kapan haga ka than ki Jongi.